to today's tutorial. We will be learning about Canva, and we will be talking about Canva interface, introduction to Canva, and then in case you don't have the Canva app, here is the Canva app. This is the Canva app here. So you can download it on your Play Store. You can also use your Google Chrome to get it online, but I will advise you download the app using your Play Store. Just type Canva, you get the app. So let's dive into the app, and then here you have your Canva template. In case you have not signed up, you can just sign up using your Google. Sign up using Google, select your email, and then you are signed in. When you are signing, you will be brought to this interface, and then here you have your different things that you can create, different templates that you can create using Canva. You have your templates here. Your templates, okay, wait, let me allow you to look. Okay, your templates are already made designs that you can reuse. You can just click and then edit them and put your own photos. But I will not advise you use your template for the start, so that you know how to be able to create your own designs. So we'll be creating our own designs for the course of this class. And to create your own design from scratch, you click on your create here. As you can see, you have your create button here. You have your create button here. So you click on your create button, and then after clicking on your create button, after clicking on your create button, you will be directed to this place, and then you click on your custom size. When you click on your custom size, you have this place now where you have your width and your height. So first of all, let me show you that you can do several things with your Canva app. You can create your logo, you can create your business card, you can create poster, you can create your invitation card, you can even do your t-shirt mock-up, you can create the Instagram posts, you can also create your presentations. You can see your presentation, your dogs, you can create some videos, you can create whiteboard, photo editor, website, even emails. Our custom size, we'll be using 3200 by 3200 pixel. Make sure here is pixel. You have your inches, your millimeter, centimeter, your pixel. Make sure you select pixel. But if in case you want to use your inches, you use 11 by 11. Use by 11 by 11 by 11 inches. In case you want to use your inches, and then create design. This is for you to start from scratch. Remember, as far as you have your mobile phone and your internet connection, you can use Canva. You can also use Canva with your laptop. And then here they are giving us a template. You can see birthday template, fashion, and other templates. So you just swipe down so that you can see your canvas. Swipe down and you can see your canvas here. This is the one we created from scratch. So from here, when you look at this down, you will see designs. You see design. Now this design, when you click on it, is for you. Maybe you want a template. Let's say you want to design a birthday flyer, and then you want to get some inspiration. You can see other birthday flyers. So with this now, you can maybe just get some inspiration, so that you get from here, and then you add them together to get what you want, so that your own work will look unique and then creative also. So let's move to the elements. For elements, you can use it to search for anything. Let's search for a man. Let's see what it's going to give to us. Now you can see photos of men. You can see different men here. So you can, maybe you want to use a man in your design, you can use any of them. But the issue now is you seeing this crown icon. This is for paid versions. You can see these icons here. It's only for the pro version that you can use them. For your pro version, to also see background. Look at our several backgrounds. let's use one of the free ones here. Let's click on one of the free ones, and you can see it appearing in your canvas here. So here it is. So you can also edit this one any way you want. You can see this round circle at the edge. This one is for resize, but this one in between it, this one here in between it, is not for resize, but this one is for resize, while this one is for to crop the image. If you look very well closely, it is cropping it. It is not resizing it, but rather it is cropping it. But this one is for resizing. So know what you are using at every point in time. You can also adjust this one. Clicking on this adjust icon here, you can also adjust what this one will be like. When you click on the adjust, you can adjust the temperature. You can adjust the temperature of the element. You can tint it. Maybe you don't like the color, you can tint it to get a different color. And then the brightness, you can also increase and decrease the brightness. You have the contrast, you have your highlights, your shadow. You can just explore this app and then see several features. You have your saturation, you can increase and decrease your saturation. And then you have sharpness, clarity. You can just increase and decrease them if you want. And then also you can add your text. You can add your text. You can see your text here. You can add your text. Let's say you want to add a heading. Add a heading. Then let's say you want to add a Canva class. Okay, let's just add this. So you click on the text. To edit the text, you have to click on the text. Click on the text just once. You can resize, and then you can resize this from here. You can also change your color. When you click on the text, you look at this down part. You look at this down part. You see several things that you can use to design a text. You can change the color from here. You can change the color to any color of your choice. You can change the font size. You can change the font size. You can also change the style. And then you can also change the font. You click on the font, and you will see several fonts here. And you see, click on the fonts, and you see several fonts here. You have your Montserrat, your Gagalin, you have your Roboto. Let's look at Roboto. You have your bold, Roboto bold, and you have your Roboto regular. So you can just choose any one. You can see the difference. Let's choose Roboto bold. Let's continue. So still on the text, you can click on advanced and increase the letter spacing. You can see how it's increasing, or you decrease the letter spacing. Any one of your choice. You can also decrease the line spacing and increase the line spacing. And also you have your effect. Your effect, you can add your shadows and then make it more intensive. You can increase your blur. You can change the color of your shadow if you want. Change it to black so that you can see it. You can see it changing. Let's use red. Remember, I'm not designing here. I'm just trying to show you what the Canva app is all about. So you can change the direction of your shadow. You can see it's changing. You can change the direction of your shadow. You can also blur the shadow if you want. You can decide to blur it. You can decide not to blur it. Then the transparency too. You see it's showing more. When you reduce the transparency to show less. So that's for that. And also you can choose other effects. You have your lift. You have your hollow, you have your splice, you have your outline. Also the shape also, you can make it to become a curve from here. And then click on it to change the curve. You see how it's curving. So you just know how to do it to fit in the design you want to do. And then you can also make it to be transparent. You can see it. When you reduce the transparency, it will show less. When you increase it, it will show more and become sharp. And then you can also edit the elements behind it. You can see it. So now this element behind it, you can decide to also reduce the transparency of it. You also reduce the transparency. You can see it. And then you also have the style. Now this style is like the borderline. The borderline, let's increase it with the borderline of whatever you are clicking. Now I clicked on the element, so you can see the borderline. You can choose this one if you want. You can choose this one if you want. You can choose this one if you want. But you are going to choose the one that will best fit in your design. You can also change the color of the borderline. That's the stroke color. You can change it to white. You can change it to any color of your choice here. You can click on this plus icon. Let me show you. You can click on this here to add any color of your choice. You can choose any color of your choice. You can choose any color of your choice. You can choose any color. This for gradient. If you want to add more colors, you can click on this. You see there are now 3 colors here. You can change any of them. Click on any of them. Now if you want to select a color from your design, you can click on this icon here. You can click on this icon here. When you click on it, then you can select from any angle and then you click done. You can see that the end, our color applied to this end here. Our color applied to this end because we are using the gradient. This is the middle color. Remember, we click the border line, that is the stroke, and then this color. We had 3 colors in our stroke, so that's for that. You can also edit 2 things at the same time. When you click on it like this, you go to more. Go click on more. You see select multiple. When you select multiple, you can select the both of them. You can group them together. You can ungroup them together. When you group them together, they will not be as if it is just one. But when you group them, they cannot be separate. But you can still edit the both of them together. You can move them together. You can see you can move them together without grouping them, without making them to become one. And that's for that. You can also take this text to the middle of it. You click the both of them. You select multiple and click on the both of them, and then you click on align, center, and then middle. You see that the text is now actually aligned in the center in the middle of it. When you take it it goes to the top. Take it to the left, it goes to the left of that particular design. So that's for that also. And then if you want to save your design, what you do is to click on this icon here. Click on this icon here to save your design. When you click on it, you can also click on this other one to also save your design. This one here. I prefer you click on this one because this one gives you other option. Either to invite someone to come and see your design before you download it, or to even share it. Click on the link and then share the link so that people can check out your design before downloading. But you can also download straight. This one also gives you the opportunity, but just that all these are for the pro version. You can see there, this is for the pro version. To modify anything here, you have to be with the pro version. So to download it, just click on what I asked you to click, this icon here. Click on this icon here. When you click on it, you see download. Click on download, and you still see download down here. You click on download, and then you see your download going on. then you can wait for it to load. And then I did not show you one thing here. You can also edit how you download it. If you can see the file type here, if you can see the file type, you can see it here. You click on this icon if you want to change the file type. Click on it. You have several file types. You have your JPG, you have your PNG, you have PDF print, and you have other ones. But the best one to download your flyer designs, your designs through PNG. That's why they even suggested it for you. And then you click on your download, and then you wait for it to prepare your design. It's ready to prepare your design. After preparing, to download directly into your gallery. And that is all you need to know about your Canva, introduction to your Canva. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial where we'll be designing a very simple flyer.